Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use scrap yarn to make a crochet scrunchie. And all you're going to need is a 5mm crochet hook, a scissors or something to cut with, and a base scrunchie. So let's get into it. First things first, we're going to start by sourcing the end of our yarn, threading it through our scrunchie, and making a slip knot. You're now going to take your hook, and we're going to pull up a loop, make a chain of 1. We're now going to single crochet all the way around our loop. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to do this for a total of 70 single crochet around the base scrunchie. So under the loop, pull up a loop, pull through. Under the loop, pull up a loop, pull through. So this is what 20 single crochet look like, and we're going to tug on it to make space on your scrunchie. And these are all scrap yarns. So this is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29, 30. And you're going to continue to pull down to make space to continue to work into the scrunchie. And I'll meet you guys back when I'm at 70 to continue on our scrunchie. Okay guys, so this is me at 70. We're going to make a slip stitch into the top of our first chain 1, which is right here. This material is a little bit difficult to see, and slip stitch. Now we're going to chain 3, and for this round we're going to do double crochet all the way around. Our pattern will be 3 double crochets, then 2 double crochets into the other stitch. So yarn over, under the loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, under the loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this will be our pattern for the remainder of these rows. So the first, we have 3 double crochet, then we have 2 double crochet, then we have 3 double crochets. So, and this is the pattern that we're going to continue with until we're at the end of our scrunchie. And I'll meet you guys when I'm back here to show you how to close off and how to do the colors around the edge. So this is the last 2 double crochet before we close off, and we're going to slip stitch into the top of our chain 3, and we're going to snip off our yarn, get the other color that we'd like, which I'm going to use the darker purple on the end. We're now going to join it. This is how I join my yarn for the scrunchie. You're going to pull through the loop. I then make a slip knot of both colors together, both ends. Then you're going to do a single crochet along the edge. You're going to ensure you crochet over the loose ends. So you're going to single crochet into each stitch all the way around. And keep putting one single crochet all the way around, and I'll meet you guys at the end to fasten it off and show you my end product. So we are now going to slip stitch into the end where we started. You guys remember, snip it off, and we're going to pull it through, and I go back through again under the loop right here, go over, pull through, pull up a loop, pull it through, draw it tight, and snip it off. And this is the end product. This is your scrunchies. Thanks guys for watching, and remember, if this was helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.